The sister asked that while doing dawah, is it better to work alone or collectively? General rule is always collectively is better. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Imran chapter 3 verse 103, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold strong to the rope of Allah and be not divided. Number one, collective is better. Organization is better. But if you don't have organization which is following the rules of Quran and Sunnah, then you start an organization. You want to do dawah, but all the people around you are afraid. What do? You start your own organization. And say, did that, I did that. When I was in a medical college, when I used to do dawah, my Muslim friend would run away. Ye to pitwa denge humko, like he's going to, let us get a good hiding. So they used to run away. They used to tell me that if in medical college, I used to do dawah with my professors. They used to say, "I'll fail you," because in medical college to fail you is very easy because there's viva voce, 50% marks, and there is no record. They can fail you and you cannot object. So I have to tell them, if my professors fail me, I will have 1 more year to do dawah with them, no problem. So always collective is better. But if you find that the people around you are not following Quran Sunnah, or you feel that they're not following a particular strategy, then you start. Allah will help you. You start an organization. But don't fight with others.